to take a look at the JJRC Diamond, a new generation of foldable drone. This must be cutting edge, but I don't know. But we'll take a look at it. Here's what you get in the box. You get the quadcopter itself, and it folds out like this, which is pretty neat. Battery compartments in the bottom. Now it has these like buttons here. I think the thing is supposed to lock, because you can hear a little bit of, but it really doesn't. It doesn't lock. So I guess these just don't work. You know. But anyway, the battery goes in the bottom. It's a 400 3.7 30C. It's in the bottom there. Just fits right in there. It's not hard to get in. You got your bag of stuff, the charger, the spare props, the screwdriver, and the prop guards. You got your transmitter. You pop this out here, this little filler piece, in case you don't want to run the video. Then you would plop the phone holder in there like that. And then to start up the video, you would start the quadcopter by hitting the button there, on and off buttons on the top. It binds itself. You don't have to do that up and down thing. It just does it by itself. Then you just want to go find the Wi-Fi, which is JJRC something or another. Here it is. It'll just say JJRC and then a series of numbers. And then it just uses the standard JJRC app. JJRC has a few apps, but this one just uses the regular JJRC app. It's going to say checking device, and then you just press connect. And then it's going to show up here eventually, and it just did. And I just bent the arm in there. And there it goes right there. See? So that's cool. At least it works, right? Let me start the video and stop it. So I'll put a little bit of video in there, and just so we can see what the video looks like. I don't know how much lag it's going to be, but ooh, it's real quiet. Okay, here's the rate button over here. Let me get the trim worked out here. I think I might have hit the wrong button there for the trim. Okay. Okay, I got it now. Okay, that's front, back, left, right here. That's the trim right there. Very quiet, this thing. It's quiet as a mouse. Flies good, man. Yeah, flies good. Nice and quiet. Pretty nimble there. Let's check the yaw speed out. Oh yeah. Okay. It's that third button is the takeoff and land button, by the way. Stop. Stop. It's haunted. Okay. Let me stop the video. I ran 3 minutes of video. Anyway, there you go. JJRC Diamond. Yeah, it's real quiet and steers real nice too. So this might be a good one. We'll get it outside. We'll get it outside and fire it up. All right, guys. Have a nice day.